So mo negative kay kape. Maglabot jud ko. Hello, mga kalocals. So we are here again to
O sa Binisaya pa na pod mi karon para mag-review na pod may another popular product here in Cebu.
Okay. By the way, we will be calling you kalocals. Why? Why are we calling them kalocals?
We're going to call you kalocals kay we are promoting our local products.
Yes, not only in Cebu but any product here in the Philippines. Yes. Okay, so we are going to review or to show you or to tell you our own. We are going to show you or
We're going so we are going to
taste.
we are going to
One eternity later.
So karon amo na ning i-present ninyo, then okay, see how it goes.
Yes. Actually, we have 5 products here. So we have the R&M dried mangoes.
Okay, this
Dried
is
mango,
manufactured in Guadalupe, Cebu City.
Yes.
So next we have 70 dried mangoes. So this is manufactured in Mandawi City, Sacris Bacilid, Mandawi City.
Yes. And we also have here Philippine
Dried mangoes. So ato makita diri, this is manufactured in Mandawi City.
Yes.
So the next one is Tropical Delights, which is also in Mandawi City.
Let them show.
Tropical Delights.
Show it to them. Okay, and lastly,
Lastly, nga nakuhaan na,
yeah, we have the Cebu brand the Cebu brand Philippines dried mangoes.
so I think this is in Mandawi City. So the four products are manufactured in Mandawi City. Then we have one in Guadalupe, Cebu City.
Yes. So, with the packaging, my love. How do
Okay.
you describe it?
So
Basically, they are wrapped. I mean,
in
they're
plastic.
Yes,
Yeah,
in plastic.
the 5 products are all wrapped in plastic. So how I wish nga we go again environmental friendly. So I hope next time we can see a product na it's no longer wrapped in plastic, because as we all know, after this one, most possibly adto ni sa basurahan, then ilabay ra ni, then daghan na kita plastic.
Okay, for those who are manufacturing this one, I
Yeah, we hope.
next time you can already put this in a box, maybe. Yes.
Or something inside, put kanang paper lang, or kanang box or whatever nga this environmental friendly.
Okay, so basically they are wrapped or they're packaged in a green colored plastic. Yeah, maybe because they're selling mangoes.
Mangoes are green and yellow.
And they are sealed properly also, guys. So
Yeah.
it's good.
The next thing is we're now going to taste it o compare ang different tastes sa atong mga products. So
We're going to compare it
yeah,
from each other.
yeah. So
Okay, so maybe we will start with this
this
one.
one can open na.
Actually, we've tasted this already. So we will taste it again and then we will tell you how it
So
tastes.
while she is tasting it, I'm gonna open the Tropical Delights. I'm gonna open this brand, Tropical Delights.
Okay, actually the texture, it's kinda crystally. How do you say that, my love? You can feel that it's sandy. I don't know. And then it's not, it doesn't stick to each other.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll taste.
So that is the, can I taste also? Para ma-compare na ko.
It doesn't taste that sour and not too sweet.
Not so sweet.
Yeah.
Not so sour.
And it's not too sweet, not too sour. What else?
Okay lang.
Yeah. It's kind of dry actually.
Yeah, it's dry and then dili kay siya medyo ay pagkagahi no. Tropical Delights brand.
Yeah.
So
As you can see,
as you can see,
it sticks to each other.
yeah, it's nagkuan siya dili siya wala siya nag-separate kanang nagtapot ang the whole dried mangoes inside the plastic.
Yeah.
So then
And it's kind of moisty
moisty.
also. Kind
kind
of
of
wet.
moisty.
Yeah.
Then
Okay.
so I'm gonna taste it na. It's a different taste.
It's flavorful.
Yeah, it's kind of sweet.
Yeah, it's a little sweet. If
Ano
you're
siya?
eating real mango, it's kind of ripe already. And it's chewy.
At first di nimo
It's like
at first di nimo ma-feel ang iyang sour taste, but later on kung sige na ka og
if it's in the mouth
chew,
already, na.
diha na ma-feel nimo ang kuan kanang sourness niya.
Yeah. It's jelly. Is that jelly? Or it's
Something different.
yeah, it's pliable.
There's something different ani nga kanang actually difference within the first product.
This one is dry and crystally. This one is
quite moisty,
moisty.
but
And
in terms of sa kagahion nila, pare-pareho ra ang ilang kuan kanang kagahion sa katong the first product.
next one is
Next
the
one is
R&M dried mango.
na morning ang lahi kay Mrs. In Cebu City.
As you can see inside, it's doesn't stick to each other, so it's dry also. It's dry also.
Kuan siya separate siya.
Yes.
Unlike sa this one is
Tropical
R&M.
Delights. Yeah.
Nagtapot kani is nag-separate kuan gyud tagsa gyud, and this is very thin.
Yes, it's thin.
Kani kay medyo
Unlike
tambok.
Tropical Delights, it's kind of thick.
Kani
It's a little thick.
kani thin, very
Yeah, it's thin.
of all the three products nga nakuha na mo, this is the thinnest.
Yes. Yes, and the texture, it's not that sandy, man said my love, no?
Yeah.
It's dry.
Dry siya, the
Same
same
with
as the first
Cebu
one.
Philippine mango, yeah.
Cebu Philippine mangoes. Not so sweet.
It has a smell, no? As you eat it, there's a smell. There's a mango smell, Jude.
This is the of all the three, this is the kanang pinakatamis. Dili siya kanang ang pinakatamis is Tropical Delights. Kaning R&M is dili tamis.
It's not rough on the tongue, right?
Yeah. Different. Kasi as you chew it later on, diha na nimo ma-feel ang iyang tamis gyud na. Ma-feel na nimo iyang tamis. Later on, diha na nimo ma-feel ang iyang tamis niya.
It's
not
sweet when you bite it, but later on there's sourness already, right?
Yeah,
It's
but
sweet
yeah,
and
it's
sour. It's
But
sour.
It's not that sour among the three.
Really?
This is
I
I
think
think.
it's sour. A little sour.
No, this one, these two are kind of a bit sour than
Oh, really?
this one. Pineapple.
Okay.
So that's R&M,
Dried mangoes.
dried mangoes. Philippine brand dried mangoes. Actually delicious. Separate yun sila. Separate yun. Separate ang kuan ang kada pieces niya.
So, if it's separated, then it's dry.
So this one, as you can see, daghan kay siya og
You
kuan.
can't see it. Show it in the camera.
Yeah.
There.
Daghan kay siya og, I think this sugar, no? Preservative, mga
Yeah.
powder murag kanang sugar siguro ni nga very
It's
fine.
heavily coated with sugar.
Yeah, but very fine sugar, I don't know.
And it's not the thick, it's not the
Oh
thin.
yeah, murag.
Right?
Yeah, the thinnest is kaning R&M, but this Philippine brand is
Yeah, it's heavily coated with sugar, guys. I don't know if you can
like
see
this,
that.
this one is very kuan.
But there are also
Claro.
pieces that are thin.
Yeah.
Not everything is.
Sige, mura siguro og kuan, mura siguro og kanang sagol ba. So, we're gonna taste it now.
It's so tender.
This is tender
It's
no?
tender and it's flavorful.
The most tender among the four. Among na
And
try.
it has a very sweet smell.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
It's so tender.
Mura siya og kanang hinog kay nga mangga. Very sweet na nga kuan, very ripe na mga nga mangga. Ay lang gigamit. No. Very tender siya.
I think it's creamy also.
Tender. Wag mo pinakahumok. May pinakahumok no? Sa ato
It's
na try.
flavorful. I have a sweet tooth. That's why I love
Very
it.
sweet. Very sweet.
It's very sweet.
Very sweet.
You can't taste the sourness.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I think I like it. I like it.
Very sweet.
You like it?
And very sweet and very tender. Yeah. I think it's very sweet kay maklaro man gyud nimo ang kuan no katong mga pag may nga kuan katong mga fine na kaayo nga mga sugar ba. No?
It's tangy, my love, no?
Tangy.
Yeah, it's tangy. It's sweet and flavorful. It has a strong smell and it's flavorful. I think you like it. I like it also.
Actually, I like it because it's tender.
Yeah, it's tender.
It's tender, but the sweetness, I'm not. I don't
You're not
like,
a fan of sweets.
Yeah.
That's why. But it's so tender
But it's
and
real tender
flavorful.
lang.
Yes.
Easy lang siya i-chew.
It's easy to chew.
So, lastly,
So lastly, we will have the 7D
7D.
dried mangoes. Okay.
you have a, kung ano, Best of Cebu. You have a seal there sa likod.
Oh yeah, there's also a seal here at the back that it is Best in Cebu.
Best of Cebu.
Best of Cebu, year 2016. I don't know if you can see that one. Best of Cebu, year 2016. It's the 8th International Europe Awardee for quality. Oh,
Okay.
I didn't know that. Only
So,
today.
let's see if mo pasar ni nga kuan,
For us.
mo pasar ni nga mga awards nila. So, inside ang ilaha kay
Except,
long strips. Lahi ang ilaha. Mostly kay long strips. Long strips ang ilahang kuan. Ang uban kay mugbo, these are long strips of dried
is it
mangoes.
thick or thin?
So, kuan, mostly kuan ra kanang
It's just average,
average,
right?
average lang.
Yeah, it's not that thick, it's not that thin also. Same with dried
But
R&M.
lahi ang ilahang style kay long strips.
Yeah.
Long strips.
Okay, it's dry. I mean, it's not that dry. It's not that sugary. It's not that crystally. I don't know if that's the correct term. Not that dry. Not that crystally. Okay.
Naghapoy daghan
It's
nga
not really-
fine. Naghapoy daghan nga fine. I think this is sweet kay.
Yeah, but it's not the crystals or how do you call
the
that
texture is kuan fine siya. Gagmay kaayo nga kuan, gagmay kaayo nga.
one? Still coated with
Oh
white
yeah, white kay more mga
sugar. Maybe
nga
that's
siya.
sugar. Yes.
Yeah.
But yes. Let's taste.
A few moments later.
May masulti no. Di siya humok, unlike aling Philippine dried mango, sakto ra ang iyang kuan. Sakto ra ang taste. Then I think para nako this is sakto ra kanang murag of all the products kay murag mo ni para nako ang pinaka perfect nga kuan kanang dili kay siya tamis niya ang iyang tenderness sakto ra sad, although dili kay nimo ma-feel ang iyang sourness, no?
It's sour for me.
Yeah, naada depende sa kuan.
It's sour for me. Maybe it depends on your taste buds, guys.
It depends on the kuan pod, ang mangga siguro nga gigamit. Na maybe naay ka nang dili pa kay hinog, dili pa kay tamis. But
Maybe because it's not that coated with sugar. That's why it's not that sweet compared to Philippine dried mangoes. It's coated with lots of sugar or crystals. That's why it's sweet and I like it.
ako
With
yung
70 dried mangoes. Yeah, it's kind of sour. It's kind of sour. It's a little sour for me, but maybe other people would love to eat this taste. Sakto lang. Okay. So we will
Okay.
start with the price of Cebu Philippine brand. So this one is 98 pesos, guys.
98 pesos.
98 pesos.
Next one, tropical
With the
delights.
tropical delights, this is how much?
98 also.
98.
Yeah, 98
It's
pesos.
98. For the R&M, this one is 97 pesos.
97 pesos. The Pioneer R&M.
Philippine brand dried mangoes. This
It's 96.
is 96.
So the
pesos.
cheapest, no?
Cheapest so far. 70 dried mangoes.
Is
This one is 105
5
pesos.
pesos.
Oh, it's the most expensive. Maybe
the-
because it's imported na.
No, maybe.
And yes, by the way, we can see many Koreans here. They go to the supermarket
Yeah.
and they buy a lot of dried mangoes.
I don't know if they are Koreans or Chinese, basta kanang mga
Koreans, Chinese,
Japanese.
Taiwanese, Japanese. So I'm so proud of that. Ooh.
So,
Right? We're able to make delicious
Cebu has the
delicacy.
best Philippines has the best mangoes, especially Cebu.
Yeah, specifically here in Cebu.
Specifically here in Cebu. So, moto guys, moto among
So what's your best?
For
Dried
me,
mango?
ang pinaka-balanse ra gyud sourness, taste, ang tenderness niya, sweetness niya is 70. Although the price is 105, the most expensive.
Yeah.
Ang 70 dried mangoes.
Okay. Mine, since I have sweet tooth, then I go for Philippine dried mangoes.
Yeah, like
Because
So-
it's
so sweet.
perfect for me, yeah. It's sweet. And it's soft. It's flavorful.
Yeah, this
Right?
one is the soft no,
Yeah.
pinaka soft.
That's a very soft. I've given you idea already, the taste, the
Mga taste,
texture,
texture.
the packaging of different dried mangoes here in Cebu. So since Sinulog is fast approaching, how many days from now? 4 days from now. So
Yeah.
if you want to come here in Cebu, don't forget to
Bye.
buy different dried mangoes here in Cebu. Support local, guys.
Support local,
Support
yeah.
local.
And support
Right?
local, different brands of dried mangoes for every one of you out there. So let's support local.
Especially for those people who are watching from outside the country, we can recommend different brands here in Cebu.
Yeah.
Dried mangoes here in Cebu. So yes, support local, everyone. And so now we are going to thank everyone for watching our vlog on the different taste of different dried mango, different brands of different brands of
Dried
dried
mangoes
mangoes
here
here in Cebu. So before I say goodbye to everyone, I would like to how do you say that? Shout out to the students of senior high school, University of San Carlos, especially to blocks.
These two are too sweet.
To grade 11 and grade 12 students, Block T, Block Y, Block N, Block S. To the grade 12 students, Block E10, Block E8, S2, S3, Block E7, S6, S9, E3, E4, E2, and T1. Yes. Hi to everyone. I hope you are watching. And I hope you're enjoying our vlog.
You can just buy all of these products in the supermarkets and some outlets of dried mangoes.
Yes. And guys, if you want to suroy during Sinulog, you can see us at
The city sweets na doon sa city sweets, standby kami dito. We're gonna be there to do braiding,
to spray,
So,
to have
hairspray.
hairspray. Yes.
hairstyling, then mag-braid
We
sa
do braids also. So if you're interested, you just go there any time of the day. We'll be there from 6 in the morning until 6 in the evening. Okay?
Okay.
So I hope you enjoy our vlog. Again, this is Mimi Buki. And this is
I'm
my husband.
Vincent.
And don't forget to
Buy
like,
local.
share, and subscribe. Yes, buy local products, guys. Support local products. Not only food, but also bags, artists.
Busugan sa konti ano, tamis na kayo.
Yes.
Bye mga ka-locals.
Bye mga kalocals.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.
Bye.